Top 5 offline demanding skills that will take over 2026. There are some offline skills that you learn it and you make sales or make money every day from it. Stay tuned to the end. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, like, and share to others. Number 1, phone repairing. Phone repairing is one of the skills that you learn on how you can repair phone. If someone's phone screen broke, you know how to fix it. If he has a charging system problem, you fix it and stuff. Then you charge the person and take your money. And this skills doesn't require a lot of your time if you are working on it or you are preparing it and everything is set up. You go out there, you get the product that has been spoiled. You fix it for the person, you make your money. Phone is not yet to stop. The tech is now rising, so every individual is now have access to phone. And if you look at the proportion, we have huge sum of people who have access to the phone, and if you know how to repair it, then you always make sales from it. So put this one down. If you have a skills in mind that you want to learn it, go into phone and computer repairing or computer hardware. 2 is fashion or dress making, fashion design or dress making. The social media is now taking over the world, and your dressing make people understand your look. So people who make dresses make a lot of sales, because if you have an occasion and you go out there and you order for a sales, or you go to your dressmaker, want the person to prepare your dress for you, the amount of money that they take before they prepare the cloth or the shirt for you is very massive. So dressmaking or fashion design is also one of the skills that will skyrocket the world in 2026. 3, electrical work. If you are into electricals or you know how to do electrical works like fixing bulb, terminate wires and stuff, a very powerful job, because now in every corner or every location in the country or in the world you have access to electricity. So if you have a skills in mind to learn, if you venture into electrical works on how to install electrical tubes, how to install cables and stuff, then you make money from it. Because if someone gets fault, the first person that they call is their electrician. So if you also know how to do it, that means every day you'll be making sales from your work. That's what electrical work or electrician. 4, CCTV installation. Now security has become one of the most important things in the world right now, because if you don't secure yourself or your property, your area, your homes and stuff, people or robbers or scammers take over your area and rob you from it. So if you know how to install CCTV cameras, you can do this job every day, because now companies, shops, even homes need security gadget on their area. Example, they can install the security cameras in their homes while they are in their work, and they will monitor everything that's going on in the house. So if you know how to repel security cameras, CCTV installation is also good for you. That will make sales every day from that way. So if you want to think of starting a skills or learning a skills, CCTV installation is also one of the top niche skills that you can venture in and you make sales every day from it. 5, home design or home decor. You have people design your house or your home for you, because nowadays, because of the technological era, there are cameras everywhere and people are taking videos and pictures everywhere, and people are looking for people who can design their homes, their rooms, their house and stuff. So if you know how to paint a house and make a design in the house and stuff, then you are good to go. It's also a skills that you can learn. And if you look at my background here, this is one of the things that someone designed for me into my wall. So if you know how to design and create these things for people, you charge the person from it, because they charge according to rooms. So if you come to one room and they charge you, then they do their work. So that's also a skill set that you can add to your portfolio and you can learn it. And it's also a part-time skills that whilst you are doing your job, you can still do this one and add it to your job. So these are the 5 top niche skills that if you want to venture or want to learn the skills, you can venture into it. If you want more or part 2 of this video, let me know in the comment section.